Hello. Imagine a giant ball of fire way, way up in the sky. That's our sun. But it's not just any fire. The sun is a star. And it's super important because the sun gives us so much energy. The sun is a huge energy factory. The sun makes energy in a process called nuclear fusion. That sounds like a big couple of words, but it just means that tiny parts of the sun smash together and create a huge amount of energy. This energy travels to Earth in the form of light and heat. Think about a sunny day. The sunlight warms your skin. That's the sun's energy reaching you. That light energy doesn't just make us feel warm, it also helps plants grow. Plants use sunlight to make their own food in a process called photosynthesis. And guess what? We eat those plants, or we eat animals that eat those plants, so the sun's energy gives us the energy we need too. The sun's energy also powers our weather. The sun heats up the air and water, causing wind and rain. It even helps us create the water cycle, where water evaporates from lakes and oceans, forms clouds, and then falls back to Earth as rain or snow. We can even use the sun's energy to make electricity. Special panels called solar panels can capture sunlight and turn it into electricity that powers our homes and buildings. So you see, the sun's energy is super important. It gives us light and warmth, helps plants grow, powers our weather, and can even make electricity for us. The sun is truly a giant powerhouse in the sky. Thank you for watching.